Hey Firebuds, it's Lavender, and today I'm turning into characters from Teen Titans Go. I'm doing the makeup and costumes for Beast Boy, Robin, Starfire, and Raven. Hit that red subscribe button to subscribe and give this video a like. Okay, let's get into it. First up is Beast Boy. Okay, so I'm gonna turn myself into Beast Boy. I already have the wig on. I cut this myself. I am quite proud of this wig. After I paint myself green, I'm gonna show you how to cut a wig like this. Okay, so I got some green paint. This is like Wicked Witch of the West green right here. So I'm just gonna paint my whole face and my ears this bright green color. Got some dark green hair. Now I'm gonna have some bright green skin. I say Beast Boy is my favorite character. He's just fun-loving and he's funny. He's a lot like Michelangelo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let me just lift up my hair. There we go. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. It's so fun being different color. I am so green right now. This is awesome. A little bit like the Jolly Green Giant on the green bean can at the grocery store. This is Paradise Paint in light green, in case you're wondering. So you can look like this too. Okay, so Beast Boy's makeup is super simple. I was painting myself green, and now I'm just gonna make my eyebrows like super black. Okay, I have all these colors right here, so many. Gonna grab this black right here. This is my huge eyeshadow palette. So many colors. Oh, and there it goes. Now it's down there. Okay, and now we're gonna make my eyebrows super black and like super thick like his, like Beast Boys. I'm making them big and rectangular, which is super fun because I don't normally wear my makeup like this, you know? Beast Boy is totally my favorite character. It's so cool how he can change into any animals. And I love how they're like green, because like he's green. If I could transform into any animal, I would be a sea otter. Just because they're super cute. They like to swim on their backs and just chill. And that is it. I'm all done with Beast Boys. Bam, bam. Painting myself green, black eyebrows, boom. I'm gonna show you now how I cut this wig. This was this long green wig. I'm just so proud of how I did this. I'm gonna show you how we can do it right here. Okay, so I have a green wig right here. I'm just straightening it out, making sure it's smooth, and now I'm cutting it. I'm just cutting in sections, making it choppy, pulling out the hair, and cutting upwards. I'm just doing this all the way around, and then for the bangs, I'm cutting across, get the length I want, and then I'm now making it choppy and layered by holding my scissors upward and upwards and just cutting it. Okay, and here it is, all done. Oh, yep, so here's the wig, totally done. Yeah, I just chopped it up a little bit more in the front, just make it a little more layered, and then put some hair gel on it so I can go like this, make it stand up a little bit more. There we go. And now we're Beast Boy, just like that. Okay, so next up is Robin. Instead of doing Robin's makeup, I'm just gonna whip up a really quick Robin costume. I got a long sleeve red shirt here, and I'm just cutting the sleeves off. You can totally just start with a short sleeve red shirt. I'm just using this one because I had this when I did the Incredibles, so I had it laying around, so I'm using it. Now for the sleeves, I have some green fabric. I folded it in half. I have the fold on like the top. I'm just cutting up. Okay, I'm gluing the non-folded sides together. I'm using glue just because I like to make things simple and easy. I'm gonna glue this right on top of the sleeve, so I'm cutting it out so it's the shape of the sleeve. I'm just slipping it over the sleeve, and now I'm hot gluing it down. Okay, the sleeves are on. Now the like rectangular yellow stuff on his shirt, I'm just cutting them out of craft foam. And then for the R on his shirt, I'm cutting a black circle, kind of jig-jagged, that's what his looks like, and now I'm just drawing out an R with yellow craft foam. Now I'm cutting that out. I just rough sketched it, you know, free-handed. I'm gluing the R to the black circle, and then gluing everything down to the shirt. And that will complete Robin's shirt. Last thing I'm gonna make for Robin is his mask. I made a template just out of some paper, hold it up to my face, make sure the size I want it. Now I'm tracing it onto black craft foam. And now I'm cutting the mask out. Okay, now here's some white fabric that I can kind of see through mostly. So I'm gluing the mask on to the fabric. I glued it down and now I'm cutting it out. And that's the last thing for Robin's costume. I'm gonna put it on and bring it all together. Okay, so I have this shirt on. It's really simple, easy, bam. And I have the wig on. It's a little wild. It's a like perfect circle. This is like Beast Boys. I'm just gonna rough chop it like this. Just gonna pick up hair like this and just cut it to create layers and to take away this circliness. Okay, so I'm done cutting the hair. See, it already looks like way, way better. Okay, even though I'm kind of digging how this is looking, Robin's hair stands like straight up. So I put like gel in my hair, stuff called like fiber. I'm gonna try to make it stand up like his hair. There we go. Okay, so I styled the hair, popped on the cape. Now I'm gonna pop on the glasses. You can totally put like string, like poke a hole and put string through it. I'm feeling kind of lazy right now, so I'm just gonna tuck the tops in the wig. There we go. Yeah, I can kind of see through this fabric. That's why I chose this fabric. I just can't see detail. Kind of like how I am without my glasses. Yes, so I can see the camera and stuff. I don't know if this looks good. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, and there we go. Now I'm Robin from Teen Titans Go. Next up is Starfire. I have my face paint palette of all these colors. I'm grabbing this color right here in orange. I'm mixing that with some foundation. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna look. We're just gonna try it. She's like an alien and her skin is like this orangey color. Okay, so now that my skin is like a starry orange, I'm gonna paint my eyebrows the same color as my hair, my pink hair. I'm grabbing some pink face paint right here. Okay, and she has little eyebrows that just go like this much. Okay, so now for the eyes, I'm putting on some mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, and now some black eyeliner around my eyes. Okay, there we go. So I'm all done with Starfire's makeup. And last thing, just put on this little plate thing I made. Okay, so now I'm totally Starfire from Teen Titans Go. I think this look turned out super good. I love the hot pink wig. This is actually the wig I wore for Shimmer in my Shimmer Shine videos. So that's it for Starfire. And lastly is Raven. Okay, so next I'm gonna do makeup for Raven from Teen Titans Go. I'm gonna do her makeup when she has her black hood off. I tried so many ways to do a black hood. I tried making one, but it just looked like a weird, creepy ski mask. And then I tried painting a black one on my face. That didn't look too cute. So I'm just gonna do her makeup when she has her black hood off. Okay, Teen Titans Go, her face is like white, so I got some white oil-based face paint. I'm gonna a sponge. I'm just gonna lightly put this on. I'm doing this lightly so it looks like my skin and so I don't look, you know, like a straight up clown. Okay, there we go. So I have my foundation. I'm gonna do eyebrows, that big palette, all those colors, grabbing the black, and then I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Okay, there we go. All filled in. Now some mascara on the lashes. Okay, we're getting there, almost Raven. Now some eyeliner. Okay, so there we go, almost done. One last thing, she has a diamond thing like on her forehead. So grabbing all these colors, going for the purple, just above her eyebrows. I got her triangle and I like part of the bangs made them like an upside down triangle. There we go. Okay, so now I'm all done with Raven's makeup. Now I'm gonna put on her hood and then I'll be Raven from Teen Titans Go. Okay, so now I'm Raven from Teen Titans Go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Those really help me out. Here's some other videos you might like, and click my face right here and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you next time. Have a blooming day.